small little project for Sophia. And what I'm going to do is put each letter of her name on these little blocks, or what is it? Legos, I'm sorry, Legos. And that way she can learn how to spell her name. So because all these Legos have to be on top of these so she can actually spell her name out, I'm also going to be using these stickers. I believe I got these at the dollar store. Let's see how they work. But first, let me glue these two together so that way when she starts putting the Legos on here, she will be able to do so. We're gonna let this dry. And don't mess with it for now. I'm gonna unplug the gun here so Sophia doesn't get it. So I already cleaned these with a napkin on the side so I can put the stickers. And these are the stickers. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is look for her name. Can I borrow the pink, Sophia? Thank you. So we're going to get the stickers out of here.
Are you pink?
Not pink. That's for Sophia. Oh. Oh, give me a second. Oh. And then key H, I'm going to use the white Legos. He looks a little crooked, but it looks crooked. Okay, give me a second. And there you have it. So now we have the word Sophia. So the reason I glued this, I guess I glued the table too, guys. The reason I glued this, so now what we're going to do is put the name here, Sophia. So that way I can teach her name. There you go. Thank you for watching. What's next?
O.
O.
Yay.
Yay. P. P is next.
Yeah.
Very good. P. What else? H. Very good. What else is next? H. What's next? H. Sophia. Let's turn it around. Did you get it? Oh, you got it, Sophia. Turn it around. Let me see. There you are. You got it. Very good. You spelled your name. You want to do it again? S. 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 O. She knows how to spell her name. P. H. Thank you. I. A. Very good. Can you try to put them back again? Mix them up. What goes first? S. S. There it is. S. What's next? O. The O's next. O. Where's O? O. P. H. Where's the H? You put the H? I. Yep, that's where it goes. I. What's next? I. And A. Let me see. Turn it around. see it. Sophia. Oh my God, Sophia, you're amazing. Go. S. O. O. It's okay. Don't take off your sticker. O. P. H. Very good. I. And A. A. What's it spelled?
Rainbow.
There you go. Now turn it around. What does it say? Sophia. Sophia. Good job, Sophia. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. Have a great day.